and welcome back to the Word Conscious Classroom, where we are consciously and deliberately building our students' vocabulary knowledge and word consciousness. Today, we're working with the prefix add, dis, enter, and re. And we have the roots miss or mitt, and sect. And then the suffixes airy, ants, and un. So let's look at add. Add means to, toward, or near. Add. Dis. Dis means apart or opposite of. Means out, away, or from. Enter means between or among. And re means again or back. Now we have our roots miss or mitt, which means send or let go. So send or let go. And sect, which means to cut. Sect. And then we have our suffixes airy, which is that which, someone, or something that belongs to. Ants, which is a state, quality, or act. And then un, which is action, process, state, quality, or act. Okay, let's try building some words. We have 5 prefixes to try to work with. Let's build admit. So we have add, mit, admit. And this would be ending with one T, admit. So when you admit, you let go to or toward, or you send it. So when you admit, which would be an action, verb, then you let it go toward, you let it in. Now if you admit another verb, you are agreeing to something, you're admitting. And they have it defined here as to let enter or to give access to. So when you admit or you confess, you're letting someone have access to what it is that you know. Let's do dissect. Dissect. So we thought that this was dis, but this could also be sect. Dissect. And it is spelled actually with 2 S's. Dissect. And that is to cut apart. So when you dissect, you cut apart. In middle school, sometimes you might have to dissect a frog. So you cut apart the frog. Let's do the next one. Intermission. Intermission. So we have intermission. Intermission. So that is the action or process of letting go between or among. So when you have an intermission, you let a time period go in between or among the parts of the play or a game or whatever it is that you're doing. So they define it as interval of time between period of activity or a pause. So intermission. Okay, could be a pause. Okay, so now it's time for me to give you some definitions and let's see if we can build the words. Let's try discharge, pardon, set free, or release. So re means again, and when you set free, you send or let go, so that would be remit. Remit, to set free again, or to set let go back, remit. Okay, and let's try another one. There's something called a representative of a country or group sent on a mission. Now that's interesting. So if you're sent on a mission, then you're let go or you're send on a mission, and they say right here, we need airy because that is someone who, so missionary, someone who is sent out. So we need our E. Emissionary. So they have it here as emissary. They pronounce it emissary. I said it wrong. Emissary. And that is a representative of a country or group sent on a mission. Wow. I just learned a new word. I did not know that word. I knew missionary or missionary, which is missing another suffix if I said missionary, but this is missary, so emissary. Wow, I just learned a new word myself. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try entry, entrance fee. So this could be an entry or an entrance fee. So we know that admit we did earlier, so admit, but if it's a fee, then it has a quality of letting in, toward, or to, letting. So to have the state of letting in or sending in. So that would be admission. Admission. Oh, so there's your entrance fee. So admission could be an entry or an entrance fee. Pay the admission. Okay, well, this ends our lesson for today. I hope that you enjoyed learning all these word parts as much as I enjoyed teaching them. Keep tuning in because as we go through each of the word parts, they gradually get a little harder, but that's okay because we are ready for the challenge.